Suppose that I did a permutation problem and I wanted to check my work by using a graphing calculator. How do I do that? Well, we'll need to enter in this into the graphing calculator and see what it gives out. So press 5, press Math, go to the Probability tab, choose option 2, which has NPR, enter, press 3, and press enter. And what we get is 6D, which is what we got here, and so we checked our work. Suppose that I did a combination problem and I want to check my work by using a graphing calculator. How would I do that? Now, quick side note, if you're interested in why this formula works, I wrote an explanation here. Okay, back to the focus of this video. So what I want to do is to enter this on the calculator and see what it gives me. So press 5, press Math, go to the Probability tab, choose option 3, which says NCR. Then press 3 because of this 3, and then press enter. The calculator gives 10, which is what I got here by using Math. So I checked my work.
Here's a link to the playlist in which this video is a part of. It includes other similar videos about how to check your work using a graphing calculator.